All right, we heard winter hit with a clunk last night at 10:08 officially, so today's the first full day of winter.
That's right, and with that in mind, Outdoor Storytellers offers a heaping helping of the season past.
Hello and welcome to another edition of Outdoor Storytellers. I'm your host, Dan Barth. Before the fall ends and winter begins, Outdoor Storyteller photojournalist Chase Ogden and I wanted to share with you some of the images and sounds that were part of the fall of 2007, but weren't really part of any story at all. But were all part of the experience of the Pacific Northwest.
You gotta love that.
I did say Snake River, and believe it or not, there is a rattlesnake on the river right there. It is freaking me out. So just as fall changes into winter, we'll move into a new group of wintertime stories. For Outdoor Storytellers, I'm Dan Barth, KXLY4.